In this video, I will show you how to connect your camera to a dummy battery so that you could connect it to your socket on your wall so that you would never run out of power anymore. So let's get started. The company that I'm using is called Susp. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correct, but I will provide a link in the description below so you can go and buy it from Amazon. This cable will convert your USB input of 5 volts, which is 2.4 amp to 4 amp, into DC output of 7.6 volts or 8.4 volts or 8.8 volts for your camera to work. Power adapter converts high voltage AC current into low voltage DC current. You will get your own country's plug. This is the dummy battery. Replaces your DSLR battery and supply a continuous power to your camera. This is the connection where the power is transmitted to your camera. The length of the cable is impressive. DC drive cable is 113 centimeter and power adapter cable is 90 centimeter. Gives a total cable length of 203 centimeters. Turn the back of your camera and open the battery compartment. Take your battery out. Insert the dummy battery. Open the gap on the side of your battery compartment for the cable to pass through. It is important to close down the battery compartment firmly for it to work. Now, connect the DC drive cable to the dummy battery cable. Make sure it is secure. Connect the USB cable to the power adapter. You can also connect the USB cable to an external power bank. My external power bank has got 12,000 milliamp hour, which is 12 times more capacity than my Canon battery. As you can see, the camera turns on using the external power bank. Now it is the time to connect the adapter to the wall socket and start filming. As you can see, we are now recording purely from our dummy battery. This really works and it's a brilliant solution if you're recording just like me a lot from home for your YouTube videos. As you have seen on this video, it works very well with the wall sockets, but I give you a cautionary note when you're using it with a power bank. Not all power banks would work. You need a power bank that could provide you minimum 3 amp output. Most of the power banks give you a maximum of 2.4, so you need to look for a special power bank, high quality. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.